Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to check the privacy in your Google Pixel 9 Pro. So to this operation, slide up, scroll down to the settings and search for security and privacy. Now scroll down and there you're going to see the privacy control. So you can check your privacy control of all options in your phone. You can check the privacy dashboard here. So you can check the location, camera, microphone, and other permission that you have to other app, and they have a private space. So you can check your private space of privacy in your Google Pixel 9 Pro. There is also more security and privacy here on the setup. And it's all about the privacy, so I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave a comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!